press briefing was held on the 3rd of January 2022, where the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, had informed reporters on various decisions taken by the state government with regards to restrictions to be imposed soon as a protection against the OMICRON variant of the coronavirus. The Chief Minister also informed on the exchange of reports of one of the regional committees that was initiated between Meghalaya and Assam, and also the discussion held with Minister from Assam and Chairman of the Regional Committee Assam, PIJUSH, HAZARIKA, which formed part of the resolution towards the pending border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam. He added that the reports of the regional committees of KAMRUP and West KHASI Hills would also be taken up very soon.
I have two agendas today that I would like to share with you. First is regarding the health review meeting that we had today. As you are aware that the new variant of COVID-19, which is the OMICRON variant, is spreading very fast throughout the country. There are hardly 7 or 8 states which have not reported a case yet. And Meghalaya is one of them, and Northeast is, as a whole, I think only one state has reported 1 or 2 cases. But the speed at which it is traveling and transmitting is very alarming. And though most of the reports coming in from everywhere are showing that the hospitalization rate is far lesser compared to the Delta variant, and the death rates are also far lesser compared to Delta variant, but the positivity and the overall transmissibility is very, very high. So therefore, it is a matter of time before which the Omicron variant will hit Meghalaya state also. It is inevitable. So therefore, as a state government, though the Delta and the second phase or the second wave had given us a lot of push and a lot of infrastructure and arrangements and different investments were made, and we are far better prepared compared to what we were before the second wave. We as a government still feel that it is very important for citizens and the government to take precaution. And though this last 1 year has been very difficult for all of us, we still need to be very careful in the coming days. Apart from that, there will be a few more restrictions. For example, we will be having the curfew will start at 10 o'clock in Shillong city, and other districts also. The deputy commissioners will accordingly take a decision. So 10 o'clock will be the curfew in Shillong, and all these will start from the 5th. I forgot to mention that. We should be getting the report very soon, but unofficially, without the report being submitted also, we have discussed most of the areas, and the details of what is in the report has already been shared with us and informed to us both by Assam and by Meghalaya committees. So we already know what's there in the report. It's just that the physical copy of the report has not been given to us yet. But what we are trying to figure out is that we are trying to find a solution. So when we try to work on a solution, then we may not have a perfect solution to everything, because this is a very complicated problem. And I've always maintained that what we are trying to do is find the best solution. So that is the best solution is an amicable solution. And an amicable solution requires us to have a good understanding with each other. Trust has to be there. And we need to discuss, and we need to see how we can work around things. So it's one way of looking at it that way, or one can look at it the way you're mentioning it. But as I said, for me, the way I see it is that we need to figure out an amicable